Bia Kamal ka Noor Online TV channel to kon ke lermin banaling mbere wicha ka South Sudan ken yam baje kwen ya ka tok English ka kore baje nyok mu kwen je ya ka tok nat. Former governor of Western Equatorial State made a bold statement before his release by President Kiir decree in the evening yesterday on February 10th, 2025. He said, Alfred Futuyo said he led the state for 5 years without academic documents, and he has outshined the leader with proper academic achievement. He also said that leadership is a gift from God, not bought from school. I have led this state for 5 years without a certificate, yet I have outperformed those with degree. Leadership is a gift from God, and I have demonstrated the ability to govern effectively. No governor in Western Equatoria has ever completed more than 5 years in office. Would member chalat ke do rana chalat ke je raja me lada je ko kor ke me chaje wuj akir ma yadit jen te kwarga kurundang diech raje ji Equatoria jala commissioner ke governor general kwarga da tala rik mishimen twokten kan point kan gwar katin konde chalat chala governor for 2 years ajantin chalat poinda kan kala da netin kona shi gwar katala kwar rewich ki Equatoria meshi run dang diech manang re kwar anigan kan otala background ki tala certificate ni tinyu da gwan wo shagwar kachir weja gwa re kwar ga manana taten ajana tala jaka Western Equatoria kwar mishimu roi kurun dang diech ki shitin kona shalat shega malat re wichin winami gwas me ala wuda me chaje wo tiang futu yo jena ramkel ka aspeli mayo chaje wuch an wujo woy keje ci aspeli mayo jaladan wo ci wuñ mu gwa ki kan kana mat kan kuma man ta pin kir ma yad kuma kir ma yadit kana kuma doctor ma chatin kan kamatten e kir ma yadit weyo we wuda me weje wuch lor banga do badan en chalat keje a ci wuda me chaje ci wuch antama re wujin winami rolna re wuch ka yambio rolna ka wuja dana cha wuja tiang ce te kurm ci tokten du no ngode kan ma dan lero de kanalat ka gweje jen go an kor dana tuok tonga mi akam SSPDF ken espele mayo de nikian akan content ga kitin trekur ko shawude me chaje wuch ka yambio ka position de mentetin la commissioner ki governor dung Western Equatoria jena dana go de nywa yekel ko nywa kan ko kien en biata kamal bana nyo jikum redien bye bye